Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, today I'll be doing a video on how I get this blunt cut bob. This hair is from LS Hair. I got this on Amazon, of course, as usual, because I love the shipping. It was under $70. I believe it was $60 total. So if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. So let's just get straight into it. As y'all can see, the wig is looking crazy. My bald cap is looking crazy. So y'all should already know this was a struggle. So yeah, my bald cap was put way too low, so I had to cut it back. But here is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just putting my glue on. This is the first time using this glue, and I did like it. It's the Eben Wonder Glue, I think it's called. So yeah, I got it tacky, then I pulled my lace down into it. Wait till y'all see this. Oh my god. Y'all see the side of that? This wig is not big head friendly. So if you guys are interested in this hair, just know that it's not big head friendly. My head is big and usually I don't have a problem with the wigs, but this was not big enough. So yeah, I overput my glue because I didn't measure it out right. So I'll fix that later, but I'm just drying it with the blow dryer, as y'all can see, and combing the lace down into the glue. All right, so here, I'm just cutting my lace, again, self-explanatory. I know y'all see the lace. The glue is not fully dried, but it dries later on and it does dry clear. So not to worry about that. The glue does not stay white. I was so scared when I was using this glue because it was a weird color and I thought it was gonna stay that color. So now I'm separating my baby hairs. I'm doing this because in the video you won't see, but I put a scarf on to lay the lace even more, and I sprayed my Got To Be spray on it just to get the lace a little bit more melted and also to have the roots kind of just a little bit flatter. All right, so now that my scarf is sitting, I'm trying to get this grandma bump that was literally because the wig was in a bag, so it put this ugly bump in it. But I'm trying to straighten that out and put my own bump in it. It wasn't really working, but yeah. So now I'm just cutting the hair shorter so that I can make them into baby hairs. Y'all know I struggle every time with baby hairs, but that's not gonna stop me from trying. So yeah, I'm just using the 24-hour edge tamer to do this because I know it'll literally make the baby hair stay forever. So I was trying something different this time with my baby hairs. I have to say it did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out, which you guys will see, but I wasn't gonna keep fighting with it because with me, I feel like with baby hairs, it is what it is. Honestly, most of the time, I'm just tempted to not even do them. But I like when I see other people with baby hair, so I always try it. And again, me trying to get this bump out, which wasn't really helping. And then I'm cutting some of the longer hairs out, trying to make it more blunt. I did go in about a day later and actually add tracks to the front because as you guys can see, it's a little thin. And then I also cut it more blunt. I cut like 2 more inches off. So whereas in this video, the wig is like a 12-inch, I've now cut it to like an 8. And I like it because it's super blunt. I should have showed in this video, but not sure why I didn't. But yeah, I'm just putting powder in my part to define it a little bit more, and that's it. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this look, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to please check out another video of mine. And again, thank you for watching.